Ng hapon po ng March 20, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 20, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 20, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649 Lotto 42 60 Lotto 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for March 20, 2025 Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, March 20, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 20, 2025 Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.